Welcome everyone. Hope everyone's enjoying this beautiful sunshine. Today's video, I'm going to show you my Salix Flamingo, and it's lost its colour just a touch. So I'm going to show you a really brilliant hack to bring it back to that lovely pink colour that we all know and love. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I planted this flamingo tree back in springtime. Now it wasn't too much money. I think it was about £10 from a local B&M, probably the cheapest one around. It was a beautiful pink colour with really fresh foliage. But with these Salix, it's only the brand new growth that actually looks lovely and pink. So what I've done with mine is I've actually given them a bit of a shear prune. Literally got my shears out and I give it a little bit of a shape, and it's actually promoted some new lovely pink growth. You can do this at any time of the season depending on what you've got on in your garden. So I did mine just, I think, about a week ago, so we're talking very early July. Like I say, you can do this through most of the season, and then it's putting on some really lovely pink growth. The reason why I'm putting this video out now and I'm not waiting is because yes, this will get better and better, but I wanted to share it with you guys in case your flamingo tree is just not looking so pink anymore, and you can get a second or a third flush of this really lovely foliage. So don't be afraid to get your shears. Of course you can do it with secateurs and get your shape back to promote more growth, but I found the shears have worked absolutely fantastically. This will be a plant in my garden which I do want to keep it into a certain shape. I want to do quite a bit of topiary within my garden in between the tropical bits that I'm planted. So that's why I've come on here and done this very early. Although it's only small, I just wanted to share it with you guys. Now it is worth mentioning, mine is only a really young plant, so I'll only be literally doing a very small tip prune, taking off less than about an inch. So obviously if you've got a large established tree, you can take off whatever you want right this time of year. But for me, in my garden, we're still quite young here. Everything's still quite little. So it's just a case of taking out the smallest amount possible just to promote that growth. And a couple of added tips: either do your pruning very early in the morning or late of an evening. That'll just help with any moisture loss. And the other thing is, once you've actually clipped them, so you've done them with your shears or your secateurs, you can give them a light mist over the top with a hose pipe just to put a bit more moisture back into the cuts. That's a very good tip for when you're doing any kind of topiary pruning in general. It helps hydrate your prunings. There we have it. Let me know down below, do you guys actually give your Salix Flamingo a prune throughout the summer to promote some more growth? I'd be interested to hear from you. If you did enjoy this video, then please do give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel out, and drop a comment down below as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Till tomorrow, I will see you in the garden. You take care. Just appreciate how good the tree fern looks, eh? Now it's actually flushing for me.